Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll discuss the new subnet network analysis feature. This feature was introduced in version 3.8 and it can be found under the network analysis view under infrastructure. Starting with this new release, you can now have subnet to subnet traffic visualization to identify network bottlenecks and identify top talkers for those conversations. You can also have deep insights into the usage trends and conversations taking place within a subnet. In this diagram, you can quickly see the top talkers or the top subnets that are communicating. You can see the sources and the destination. The top talkers are between this 127 subnet to the internal test subnet here. Similarly, between the internal subnet and the 127, there seems to be a lot of traffic in the opposite direction as well. However, you can see that they're green, indicating that there are no bottlenecks in this particular scenario. You can also dig in deeper to visualize the overall round trip time. For example, you can simply click on this particular subnet if you'd like to view more. This provides you with all the bidirectional traffic and all the different source and destinations within your environment. In this particular case, you can see that the source starts from this particular subnet, from the 192.255 subnet. There is one single CentOS virtual machine. It communicates with all these different servers in the destination. You can quickly see that all the different connections are green, indicating that there are no issues. And you can see the top talker between the two. The top talker between the two is a CentOS 8 Dev Portal VIC to the VMware vCenter. If you hover over it, you can see the total amount of traffic, which is about 10 megs in this particular case. And you can see any bottlenecks with regards to application on network if it presents itself. Similarly, the table view provides you with a tabular format in order to view and identify any potential bottlenecks. In order to identify any network latencies, you can simply filter and sort. In this case, you can filter and sort based on the round trip times, and you can quickly see that between the dev portal VIC to this domain controller, there is 28 milliseconds of network response time. Similarly, you can dig in deeper to visualize the overall round trip time for a subnet to subnet communication, retries, fatal retries, packet drops, and retransmissions. This particular view gives you a full-fledged view of the network response time. In this case, the maximum that the network response time goes to is about 6 seconds. Similarly, we can see the A to B traffic and the B to A traffic on an overall perspective. You can quickly see and identify if there are any retransmissions. If there are any retransmissions, does it become a fatal retry? You can also see the total volume of packets as well as the zero windows and the bytes that are transmitted. In order to set up the subnet analysis view, you'll have to go into Settings and End User Experience. Over here, similar to setting up different end user sites, you will have to look and create the different site names that you would like to be monitored within the subnet analysis. In order to do that, click on the New Site button, enter your site name, add the subnet address, and include the CIDR. It could be a /24, /23, or whichever you prefer as a subnet. Once completed, you can hit OK. In this particular case, since I already have my subnets configured, I will just go ahead and hit Cancel. If you have any questions with regards to this feature, please feel free to contact us at support@uila.com. Thank you for watching this video.